Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to show you guys how I make my soft and chewy sugar cookies. So let's cook. So you first want to start out by creaming together 1 cup of sugar and 1 heaping tablespoon of light brown sugar with 2 sticks of room temperature butter. So you want to cream this together until the butter and sugar is not only light in texture but light in color. Now that that's done, and you can see what I mean by it's light in color and in texture, you want to go ahead and pour in 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 1 egg, and you're going to mix that up. Now to this, you just want to sift in 2 3/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And you just want to sift that in. Now you just want to fold everything together until it becomes totally incorporated. And you don't want to over mix this. Okay, so here I have a cookie scoop. If you don't have a cookie scoop, you can use a measuring spoon just to make sure all of your cookies are the same size. You want to scoop that out, and you want to roll it into a ball in your hands like this. Now what you're going to do is just roll it in some sugar like this, and once it's totally covered in sugar, you're going to put it on your baking sheet. Now I'm going to finish doing this, and when I get done, I'll check back in with you guys. Okay guys, so now that I'm finished with this, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven on 350 for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the bottoms of your cookies are a light golden brown. Okay guys, so here's our first batch of cookies. What you want to do is just leave them on my baking tray for a few minutes so they can just cool down a little bit and set up before moving them to my cooling rack. Okay guys, so our cookies have cooled off, so I'm going to go ahead and put them over here on my cooling rack. So I'm going to go finish baking up the rest of my cookies, and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm all finished. Okay guys, so I'm finished baking all of my cookies, and I made about 34 cookies with this recipe, and I'm just going to show you guys up close what the cookies look like. They're nice and soft on the inside, and they're still a little bit crispy on the outside. So you're left with that nice crispy outside and a chewy inside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, put in your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.